Okay guys, I just wanted to mention something, especially for you guys that build in the shed. Especially if you're in a southern shed like me. I'm in Florida, and boy, conditions out here sometimes get pretty interesting. The humidity is not usually very high, but the temperature can get to staggering levels. And normally I wasn't having a problem with decals, but something that I ran across today over here. This kit has been out here and open, wide open. I left the lid off of it, and if you guys remember, I was planning on building that. I can't do it now because, let me show you this. Now this is exactly how I had it. This is the open box and everything in the box, and the decals were up on the parts, and then the instructions were on top of that. Wait till you see this. Look right there, that's the decal sheet, and that's the decal sheet sticking out right there. At exactly those lines. Watch this. Look at that. It's like a photo. I don't know what happened here. But the decals below where the paper was are completely gone. The yellowing and everything, they're gone. Part of the number 87, sponsor decals, everything. Let me get in close here. I don't know what happened. I've never had this happen before. Of course, building in a shed, you have everything in here. I've got frogs in here, I've got lizards in here, and I have seen silverfish in here. You also have, you know, the ants walking along. A cockroach maybe decided that decals are delicious, but for some reason they were afraid of the paper. Now I don't know for sure if that's what it was, if it was a bug or if it was just the heat, but look at that, it lines up exactly with the paper. Bizarre. And of course that sent me straight to this kit, because this is the current kit. I was just going back to it, and so I decided to start looking at the decals on this one, and this was closed. This box, you know, the seal was broken, of course, but the decals were in the box and the box was closed, which makes it different from the Burger King car, because that box was wide open. This one was closed, and it does appear to still be happening. If it's a bug, it likes the yellow stuff. It likes that yellow part of the paper. And so far it looks like the decals are fine. But this is going to be the end of keeping decals in the shed until they're ready to go on. Decals will now be kept in plastic sleeve and will never leave the house unless I'm bringing them out that day to apply them, and then we're bringing it back in, which makes me want. Oh yeah, and you guys are probably alarmed because you know I have a lot of kits out here, including the Grail kit, the Trans Am. But the good news is, for some crazy reason, now this box was sitting over there. That is the box. It was sitting wide open just like that, with the Titan box on top of it, but certainly open, and nothing at all happened to it. Nothing at all. And these are like, what, 30, 40-year-old decals? And they definitely still have their shininess, showing that the lacquer is still there. These decals are completely, perfectly good. But oh yes, they're going in the house. Look at that right there, it's starting. Right there. They're going in the house today. I'm saving them. Right there. Okay, so this one was 1986. And so these decals are saved. These I think are saved, but I'm definitely going to scan them just in case so that I have a backup. so that I can print out new ones on some new decal paper if need be, because otherwise I'm kind of screwed on the current project. But these are gone. These are unusable. So I have a spare NASCAR kit, and who knows what decal set's going to come along. I already looked online. I did look at Mike's to see if he had a spare set of these decals, and he doesn't. He's selling the whole kit over again for real cheap, for like $7, which is about what the decals would cost anyway. But anyway, so I just wanted to share that. If you guys are building in the shed, something like this might happen if you keep your decals out here. And so, oh man, this is a tough lesson. But I am learning it, and I will abide by it. No more decals in the shed. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, everybody.